Hello everyone and welcome to the BoldChess show. I'm your host Roland, and in this video I will be taking on the Stockfish chess engine at level 2 on leadchess.org, playing with the white pieces and using the London system opening. This is the second installment in our series on how to defeat Stockfish levels 1 to 6 as white. To ensure a consistent and educational experience, I will be using the London system in each video throughout the series. Be sure to watch the entire playlist and visit our website at boldchess.com, where you will find a step-by-step proven academy for chess improvement. Our program covers everything you need to excel in chess, including openings, endgames, tactics, puzzles, study plans, and much more. Now let's dive into the challenge. Very well, it's again the same time control. I will go again with the same opening. We'll play all the challenges, all the games with the same opening. Then I will go with my bishop, like in the previous game. He moves with his queen. I will, in this case, he left his pawn hanging here. I can protect my bishop, but a better move would be just to capture the pawn. And now my pawn is being attacked by two pieces. I will protect it. He might be looking forward to attack my bishop soon, but since I have time before that happens, I will continue developing my pieces. I'll go with the knight. He's trying to trap my bishop in the queen side. What would be the most accurate move in this position? One good move would be to challenge his knight. He's now attacking my bishop, and I have a couple of options here. I can pin his knight. I can capture his knight. Or I can protect my bishop. I'm more leaning towards protecting my bishop while keeping the tension as much as possible. He moved his knight away, leaving his pawn hanging. So in this case, I'm going to capture the pawn. I can capture it with two pieces, but I prefer the bishop because it attacks the queen. And now I have this little fork here. And that would instantly allow me to capture the rook. Is it checking my king? I can simply capture the knight with my bishop. He captured my piece here. My knight is a bit trapped though, so I'll need to find a way to move it to safety. I will start first by addressing some new threats, like this hanging pawn. He moved his knight. My pawn is under attack still. I'm going simply to capture the pawn. He captured back. I'll continue developing my pieces. And in this case, my knight is trapped. So let's see what we can do. We can we can capture the pawn, or we can have a nice discovered attack. The best discovered attack we have is since our bishop and queen are lining on the same line, so we can simply have a discovered check. And once he moves his queen, we can capture the bishop. He moved his queen to block our attack. In this case, I'm going to ignore that, and I will simply capture the bishop. He can't capture back because his king will be under attack. And now he did a major blunder here because I'm checking his king in this kind of X-ray attack. I'm pinning his queen to his king. I can simply move the pawn and attack his queen and add more pressure. Now he will need to capture my queen. That's the only move. And then I have to capture back. And once he moves his king, I can simply here in this position check his king one more time because I'm attacking his knight. And once his king moves, I can then capture the knight. And now in this position, I have multiple moves. I need to check his king. His king is almost at the edge of a checkmate. One move possibly would be knight to e5, which would definitely deliver the final checkmate. The other alternative move would be knight to d3. Let's go to the analysis board and see if we could have done what were the major mistakes in this position. So overall, the big mistake was his pawn movement to b6. This was a big blunder, which allowed us to continue our attack. The best move was knight to e4 according to the engine, which I didn't see. But d5 was also passable. Of course, here he should have captured the pawn instead of moving the knight. We captured back. And now here we delivered a check. The best move was actually pawn takes c6, followed by the queen. And then we captured the knight with a discovered check. He has to move the king. And then we capture the queen. I did not see this sequence in the live game. But it's a very interesting sequence. It's very, very nice tactic if someone can spot it. For the audience who are highly rated, probably they have seen this tactic coming. And the rest of the game was just simply we were dominating the position. This was the last blunder from Stockfish level 2, where he allowed us to continue our attack and pin the king. The exchanging of the queens was required for him to protect his queen and his king. But moving the king to c5 was a mistake, where it allowed us to deliver a checkmate. I could have delivered a checkmate instantly here instead of capturing the knight first. On any rate, we managed to find it eventually.